Hello everybody, it's me, Bo Shevasu. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this compressor. I'm going to be using this for some light finishing work along my baseboard. And so as you can see, that, and that. That is pretty much everything that comes in the box. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the actual power cord right here. There we go. I want to say that's probably, what, 5-6 feet? Let's go ahead and pop that in, see what happens. There's the on switch. Let's go. I got this 50-footer. This is from Est Wing. It's a PVC rubber hybrid. Let's go ahead and pop this over like this. See if it goes in. Here we go. There it goes. Nice, nice and secure. Go ahead and wiggle that a bit. See if there's any kind of leak that you can hear. Nope. Let's go ahead and take it off. Very nice.